Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2017 Ford Fusion. For this project, you will need a 13mm socket to take off the battery bracket itself first. Okay, once you get that off, then you will need a 10mm socket or wrench to disconnect the positive and negative terminal. Proceed to take off the negative terminal nets, which is also known as the ground. Just turn that wrench clockwise until the battery post itself frees up. Okay, once you do that, proceed to take off the positive terminal nets. Just turn that wrench clockwise until the post itself frees up. Then you'll be able to remove that battery terminal off the post itself. Then once you remove that post, you'll be able to take the battery out with ease. Insert your new battery back into the vehicle. And today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2017 Ford Fusion. And this is your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation. Do us a favor, if we are providing added value today by watching this battery install, if you can just hit the thumbs up, like the video. This will locate the YouTube algorithm to push the video into the algorithm so other people can see the video as well. And also to subscribe to if you're a new visitor. We're uploading daily videos of installs of how to recondition batteries, recycling, everything you can think about the reconditioned battery business, we are doing it. Okay, the next step you want to do is you want to put on your negative terminal last, which is also known as the ground. And once you tighten that up, then you'll be able to do the last step, which is securing that battery bracket back down into the battery box itself. You just flush that right next down to the battery itself and just screw in the screw and get your wrench and tighten up that battery bracket, which will secure the battery itself safely back into the battery box itself. And this is how you install a battery in a 2017 Ford Fusion.